Players for Abodo, Nigeria. Today we're not go different because all the gist, all the stories we play out over the weekend. That is on Friday where we close our shop. Reach that will be Monday. At least we go sunshine now with them. So at least once we open our phone lines, now if we do it, now if we calling and also give our own little contribution or our own contribution to the whole matter, we go open our phone line. At least also be in mind say we get 3 solid telephone line for now. 3. I want to feel like we say now go call, now go express ourselves. But the payment to come make una leave that one for us. My name never see change. My name is Ankubi. And this now Ask the Hot.
We don't go waste time. We'll go enter inside one story when we say our Muslim brothers, when they watch us for anywhere inside Obodo, Nigeria or the world, we go tell you now say Ramadan Kareem. That not to say the holy month of Ramadan, the period when we say we go through, say we want to do self-renewal to fit come closer to our creator or our maker. Now that season when we say we go abstain from certain things, observe what people they call fast, so that we go feel renew ourselves and come back say it's very, very important. The information now in the Sultan of Sokoto now come out give the information yesterday say based on say the National Moon Sighting Committee and the one when they inside Sokoto don't sight the moon, say make everybody embark on that particular ritual, that is the exercise of the holy month of Ramadan. But different information can they enter based on the Ramadan arrangement. Our Oga President Muhammadu Buhari come out come talk say this period na period when we say all of us suppose think on the essence of what we they celebrate. Not be just say we they do am because of say other people they do am, or we they do am so that people go call us Muslim, but we they do am so that we go feel live more with people when we say then they of other religious faith because of peaceful coexistence and the promotion of oneness inside our society. Our security people come out come talk say even though we dey observe this period of Ramadan, make we dey very, very mindful because Boko Haram Jaguda people, even though they claim say they be Muslim, when we know say they be bad people, they won't carry badness inside this particular season. Say make everybody they watch, make everybody they pray. Anybody when get relevant information, make it give them to our security people so that they go feel nip the thing in the bud. We they talk say all the people when they observe this particular period of Ramadan, say may God give them the strength to feel observe and reach the end. And the essence of Ramadan say make they live together as people and make it be one. We go quick rush enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll enter our other stories based on Ask Ide. No go anywhere. Hot. We they come back.
To get the total package of your #1 talk, news, and sports radio station, visit our website at www.nigeriainfo.fm.
Do you want to be on TV? Ever dreamed of being part of a TV show or a game show recording?
Oh, yeah? Yeah!
Well, dream no further. Your opportunity has come. Join the Wazobia TV fun train of TV shows and game shows recordings.
To be part of these events, fill the audience participation form on wazobiatv.tv/register or call these numbers 01-271-4160 or 01-271-4161. Better still, you can also send a mail to bookers at we-tv.tv. It can only be on Wazobia TV.
Humiliation made her strong. Injustice made her brave. Pain made her a savage. And passion transformed her into a woman. Now, only true love will be able to restrain her wild at heart.
Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot and now the terrible edition now will carry come now way today will be Monday. Yes, Chukudi don't start off by giving us the waiting. That is the first story we get to deal with the holy month of Ramadan. We start up today, and then the major focus now waiting now peace and tolerance. Now be the major thing that they preach us to make people, make Muslims practice this period. From there, we could enter straight into the next story. We get to do with one Jaguda. That is one badness we happened on Thursday last week when one particular woman, according to what they talk, they say he go talk with no talk. That is the word blasphemy. Say she go talk about the holy prophet Muhammad, and as a result of that, some mob can't do it. Can't look and finish. Can't say no for saying this. Say we go at least we go sentence you to death. Just unlawfully can't do it. Can't buy the woman. Can't kill her. So but then the issue can be say whether the woman talk this no, you know talk am. Nobody get the right to say in they put the law into in hand because as long as we get law where they guide us as a country, law where they guide us as at least as a nation, at least the law for 280 for take its role. But then still on this matter, the governor of the state, the governor of Kano State, don't also meet with the husband of this deceased woman. Can also promise am say look, on top of this matter, say they no go let them rest at all. So they go ensure say at least say everybody will get time for this badness. Say they do dating, then bring them to book so that at least people go feel doing, go feel learn from them. This one also then was strongly backed up by the CAN, that is the Christian Association of Nigeria, who also come and say make them ensure say this thing will say no just enter, they not just sweep and enter carpet, because if this thing continue this way, waiting go be the fate of people we go get the way supposed to get the right to say okay make them live their life. So now this event will play out for Kanu on top of the woman with them keep that.
From that particular story, we go enter one we get to do with Oga Presido and the 10 days vacation when we say he go take starting from today. And make a break up now, make everybody understand. And this 10 days vacation no get to do with just holiday. It get to do with rest and because of the health of Oga Presido. Everybody go remember say Premium Times, that Ogbonge investigative newspaper, mean come out last week talk say Oga Presido they suffer from the Meniere's disease, the one where we say they affect ear, and the thing they cause make person not to they hear well, and somehow it go be like say sound they do inside person ear. But from the office of the presidency, they be come out that time talk say all these people when they spread this thing say Oga Presido get one disease for ear, Oga Presido they sick somehow. Say the thing no they very very clear. But the information when they now from the office of the presidency now say in doctors they don't examine them, they go talk say he go need go see ENT specialist, that is ear, nose and throat specialist when they for inside Obodo London for precaution, make them check the thing, make the thing for no loss and make him rest well. But plenty people come and talk say 6 years ago inside this our country, our former president, the late Umaru Musa Yar'Adua, say him been sick, acute pericarditis, but then come and talk say he no get any sickness, say he's fit as fiddle, he's hale and hearty, nothing they worry him. But later we can't get constitutional crisis in the sense say wahala can't happen, then can't they shield. People can't come and talk say make our people when they for the office of the presidency, make them they come out with clear information so that people not going to do permutation because no be Baba Jebu arrangement. Make them know say okay, see the way when the thing they go. Make tomorrow we no come here say they shoot bird in Mama Fly. That one I get to do with the story of Oga Presido 10 days vacation inside Obodo, London.
Yes, and from there we could enter straight to the office of the presidency. We know very well, say Mr. Presidency, some couple of weeks back talk say look, say on May 29, that is Democracy Day, say he go do it. Say he go announce the names. The names of all corrupt and these leaders will be saying they don't collect and they don't recover money from their hand. People come Nigerians come anticipate, they get hope to say at least if our God president don't promise us this kind of thing and that to show say yes and true say at least he really the fight against corruption say it really won't fight but then just like say somehow our God president somehow can't do it, can't go behind the curtain, can't figure out say look if I mention names say no go to do it, can't say we can't withhold the names. Right about now we don't hear say yes, say they don't recover a particular amount of money according to what we hear. Say all the money they recover from all the loot they collect, say now about 78 billion 325 million that is 354,631 naira and 82 kobo. Then followed by another sum. This one for dollar $185,119,584, and then £3,508,355, and then lastly 11,250 euro. The Minister of Information come talk say this money now within between that is May last year where Oga President enter office to May this year now all this money they recover them. But people come and talk say hey, Oga President it is not just about say they do it say they give us you recover money make we know the people who see this money going by your promises because you promise say you go tell us and there's nothing wrong in telling us okay see the names of the people who carry out this money or see the names of people who steal this money after all constitution. He said nothing they wrong in that as well because if the catch person say steal money at least people supposed know who it be so that at least they go ensure at least subsequently we go now we go take the address the matter of corruption and also address them well. So now about that one be that.
The next story when we get to wrap up everything when we discuss, get to do with one particular incident when happened a few weeks ago. But it be like saying now the thing they come to light. Sahara Reporters, that online medium when we say that they get gist where nobody they know where the thing they come from. They come out talk say about 300 million naira cash. Say the thing just wear miniskirt, rub lipstick and coin shoe, disappear from the office, administrative office of the Senate President, Senator Bukola Saraki. Why people open their mouth, they talk, say, 300 million from the office of the Senate President, information come and contact, say, no be 300 million. They say money miss. Say that money we miss, na 12 million. And say the 12 million we miss, na money when they suppose they use, they do charity, that is good work for poor people, for Nigerians who need help. Say no be 300 million. But people come and they ask, say, wait, for Nigeria, we get cashless policy. And our Senate President now follow for the people when they the Senate, that time when we say that the ginger say, he go there very, very secure. He go there very, very stable financially for our country. Make we not get people when we say that they carry money up and down. Why he be say we can't get 12 million naira cash inside the office? Money when we say we no fit see again. People come and talk, say, it be like say this 12 million don't get the way anything bill. If you get 12 million for your office, how many you go get for a house? When we come back from this short break, we'll go discuss all of these particular story them as it get to do with all the action story when we carry come from weekend based on Monday Tierra. No go anywhere. Now still as either complete time you in the house. No, complete it. Complete it. How?
Yes, welcome back. The program now today hot and we don't give now all the rundown of all the major stories. But quickly, make we go through them once again. We'll tell about the holy month of Ramadan we don't start today. And the major this way they talk, we say make them do it, make them ensure say peace and tolerance exist. I will also tell them about the story about the woman where they do it, where they buy for Kano State on top of say she make some blasphemy statement. That is Madam Bridget and Patience. We can also tell them about Oga President Buhari. We carry visit, come out for 10 days unto say he won't go address in health matter. From there, we can't give now the story about money, figure on top of all the money way they talk say they recover. People they ask say where the names of the people we steal this money. Now one see. And lastly, we can't give now about the 12 million naira money where they talk say it means for the office of the Senate President for that is for Kwara State as against the 300 million naira way the people they speculate say now waiting means with that. Now all the gist we get from our business and go very soon go open our phone line so that at least our viewers go feel call contribute. Make we also get our own view on top of all the stories we don't drop down.
It's very, very important. Make we talk about the incident, the sad incident will happen for inside Kano State to Mrs. Bridget. It's very, very sad. Say for this our country, even though we they talk say we be one people and we need to live together as one. Some of us still they very, very extreme or fanatical in our religion practice. We don't already talk and say every religion they profess peace, they profess love, they profess patience and tolerance. Why it can't be say some people go still push themselves reach the level where we say it go be like say now them they carry the religion for head. You know they right at all. But we they very, very happy say the attention when we say this particular thing generate amongst Nigerians and for the political class also they very, very important. Madam Bridget husband don't meet with the governor of Kano State. Even Oga President don't weigh in on top of the particular issue and he not release statement. And the police, Nigeria police force don't arrest two of the prime suspects for that particular incident. But the Google Milk will also address mob mentality. Why it be say one person go raise alarm? Once the person raise alarm, 20 people, 30 people, 50 people, 100 people go gather, begin they attack one particular person.
They don't go ask questions.
Even though they ask questions, why it be say
they don't even get the right.
Particular issue happen, 20 people go don gather 50 no be say you gather to help person na gather to come deliver judgment on one particular issue and this person na woman and e go dey very very important when we dey put am say
not just woman but woman wey be say she don old she dey like 70 something.
True.
This woman wey dey talk about dey like 70 something. Okay, fine. The issue of say you putting the law into your hands for a country wey be say yes say we get a particular central law wey dey guide us. This issue of say law being divided say okay a particular section of the country dey practice their own law based on their religion while on the federal side we dey also practice on dey appropriate. There's a central law wey dey guide wetin we dey do and that central law should be the main focus rather than you just picking up and say you dey take up the law against somebody. But then if make we also talk this thing. If religion are about you, not just about waiting you think say person talk about you. Okay, how the religion wey they practice they take reflect in you. That's the major thing we should. If at the end you kill person finish, also say talk something about the Holy Prophet Muhammad, and in the end you can't say you kill and finish. We not going to see the religion wey they practice reflect in you. So I think the whole essence of the religion wey they practice. That's the question. So we should see it reflect in us. And by the time you go reflect in us, at least I believe say yes, that thought say okay, killing another person, they appropriate. Go they play out in people's head. You putting the law into your hand, not maybe they appropriate, no talk here.
Not be even just about killing person self. Now also about doing something when we say go hurt on another person. Not be necessarily whether ultimately the person losing life. But if you go do anything when go place person for position when we say it go be like say the person go suffer, then go be true reflection of the religion. I know for one say that they talk say Islam na religion of peace. I know for one say that they talk say even if they call the name of the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they talk say peace be unto him. If they even talk about Christianity, for example, people they mention about say for God so loved the world that he sent his only begotten son, John 3:16. Even if in African traditional religion, everybody they preach tolerance and understanding. Why you be say we can't reach the level when we say all of us go can't reach position when we say we go feel like say now if we don't do this thing this way, now it be say the creator when we they serve. Be like, go like us or go love us. They're very, very right. And they're very, very sad. But we go continue to discuss this matter until the law take its full course. Because not be just for the governor to talk, say, then go do this. Not be just for the Inspector General of Police to talk, say, they go arrest the key people. Not be just for Oga President to talk, say, this thing, they're very, very bad. We must ensure, say, in every area of our life, from our religious leaders, what thing that they teach, some people, if you hear the kind teachings when they teach, they're good at all. This thing not be competition. If at the end of the day, all of us go heaven, make all of us work towards attaining that particular goal. Nobody say we're going to fight for earth here when we get answer for heaven. We get Oga Onyeka. Oga Onyeka, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Onyema, good morning and welcome to As It Hot.
Yeah, good morning, brother.
Good morning, we're with you.
Hello, I think that the thing why I watch now about the issue of this man wey dey keep for camp na like the way.
Na the matter we follow for the matter wey we discuss.
Okay, my office dey wetin I see for my Facebook say they beheaded the woman.
Oga Onyema, quick one, make we correct am.
No correct am.
They no behead the woman at all. Even her husband don come out come talk. In fact, the video dey when we say the man talk say he dey there when the incident happen. He see him wife body, say they no behead her, say she was beaten, they beat her based on say mob action, but say they no behead her. So that particular picture na fake picture, no be that incident wey happen for inside Kano be that.
Okay, no be the thing wey happen be that.
No be they no behead them at all.
Okay, thank you. That is what I want to know. Because the correct thing I just dey hear from the correct the thing wey they talk different to the thing wey I dey hear from that make me to make I call, make I know wetin dey happen.
Exactly.
Thank you very much, Onyema.
Thank you very much. And we go like make you use this opportunity, tell other people around you, because on top of Facebook, plenty information dey go around, and person no fit verify whether na true or na false. But just as we don talk am, source, fact, the thing don dey very, very clear say they no behead the woman, and that picture when they circulate na fake picture based on the Kano incident.
And then apart from that, we another important thing we also need to talk. We say, look, the way people they carry out information, false information, we know they are appropriate just to stir up vex from other people. They very, very wrong. Make we dey cautious of what will they do it, what will they pass across. We get Christian. Christian, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Christian.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes. What I want to control is this woman issue. You see, people when they make people of Kano, Hello?
Do they hear you?
This is for Kano. That's what I report. This is not answer. Because me, I escaped from arms some time ago. I leave both things left and there. Come because contact get jobs and go to the continental Abuja. Abuja now. I do not live at Lagos now. Even most times when we go to Abuja, a lot of days then we don't really live. Like when every time you go come, you go work or school. I know I only take 3 days. 2 days I don't do it now, I don't run home. The only part that I enjoy from North is Sokoto. That's where to stay. You can stay in the middle of anybody and do anything you want. Discuss with them. Very good relationship with them today. They see that time, we got to find something to do there because one of the things that is life. But people so that after they live this life, you can't do any other thing. But some people in my house, I get all that.
Oga Christian, e be like say somehow the network no gree make the thing balance for our ear, but we don't note your point, and you don't. We happy say you even mention say one of the place for the northern part of the country when we say you feel live in peace na Sokoto. So that one dey very very real. Say not be just say na northern problem or say this particular issue na one particular place of the country the thing dey affect. E get people when we say their primary place of residence or their origin based on state of origin e no get anything to do with north, but they don live there for several years, don born children for there, and they don thrive based on business and other things wey dem do. E go dey very very important say because of say our society na one wey be say e accept say this religion that religion, e go good make we do everything we fit do to engender peace and peaceful coexistence. Say whether this person first and foremost na my friend because him be good person and if he add value to my life, no be because him be Christian or him be Muslim or him dey go deeper life or him be Catholic. From that particular story, e go good make we enter one when I know say Nkobi go like one answer because e be like say after the ginger, we no come hear anything about am. Is this a government of ginger and nothing at all? You go still answer that question. Oga Igbo or no Oga Igbo? You dey release figure, you no give us name.
Oga Igbo, good morning.
You dey release figure, you no give us name.
Oga Shukubi, I agree.
Oga Igbo, I agree with you. Talk to this man.
The man wey shoot the feet, I agree. I don't know why Nkobi go get suit today.
I tire.
You're not a gentleman. Right for time, you're not a gentleman. We know before. You're not a gentleman. But let us join hands together, whether you be Christian, Muslim, or pray for our president.
Yeah.
Because we know where our president name they go. Many things they can't they will call the affected. But maybe we join hands together with the Nigeria. Let's pray for this man. Make this country better.
Very, very true.
Now we'll discuss about this looted money.
Thank you.
Now this money when they don't recover now. You say you recover money. Good. This money you recover now. Yeah, you see, because we hear they want set up separate accounts where to put this money. Why would they waste time? Why would they open separate accounts? Even some, if I just put the money for one place, if more make an example now. If you are from, let's say you are from Edo State, and somebody from Edo State, you recover money from Edo State. Maybe that money supposed to be they'll say pay T-shirts. They recover the money, they pay T-shirts for that thing. If you recover that kind of money, no need to put our federal account. Send the money to the state account. Let them pay those T-shirts. Anyway, they recover those money. Let them pay. Let them send them. Go. They don't open any account to that because they open account small time. You go see say the money go miss. They're down to this blasphemy issue. If we stop to the sea, that is we look ourselves as one, whether you be Christian, you be Muslim. If we there as one, all this nonsense not going to happen. And to me, maybe the federal government they look onto this matter when they happen because many they happen when you say they see, now the one they see, now they bring come from me too. Anybody will too hard for this battle when you kill this person, and they expect maybe they send that person to death. They follow that person too. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Igbo. We get another caller right now on our line. Good morning.
Oga Philip, they call us all the way from Lekki.
Good morning, Philip.
Oga Philip, you did there?
Philip, you did there. Good morning.
Like I say the network no agree, Oga Philip. Wetin Oga Igbo don talk, they very, very apt, he not already answer the issue. Don't talk and say it is very, very important. Make we as a people join hands together, love ourselves, because now we be the people when we say if we want to move our country forward, now we go do all our thing to move the country and ensure the success of the Nigerian project. Quick one, we go move, enter inside break based on moving forward. When we go this break, come back, we'll begin to discuss other issues as related to all the action today will carry come from the weekend. And Nkubi must reply to why they give us number, but they don't give us names when they come back. You cannot escape from that. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.